राज्यांत दिव्यांग व्यक्तीं खातीर वेगवेगळे खाते तयार करपाची घोशणा समाज कल्याण मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसायान केली। हे खाते तयार करपा खातीर मुख्यमंत्र्या वांगडा चर्चा सुरू आसा। एका वर्सा भितर ते अस्तित्वांत येतले अशें मंत्री सुभाषान सांगले।
Looking at our efforts, the government of Goa, the Honorable Chief Minister announced in the last budget that a separate department for persons with disabilities will be made, and I hope and we are on a very fast track establishing a separate disability department in this, which will be independent of, without having any other department connected to it. Why? Because disability has links with, we have to always coordinate with the health department, we have to always coordinate with the sports department, we have to always connect with the education department, and if this coordination doesn't go well, then the person with disability have problems in getting the services from different department. So we are trying to get all these things within one department, that is person with disabilities, so that they will have minimum problems and the department will have their own budgetary allocations, own officers, own directors, so that functions in empowering, socially empowering, educationally empowering, economically looking after their placements. All these things will be initiated and they will get a better facilities. So this is the purpose behind getting a new department formed, and the Honorable Chief Minister is taking initiative. He is always tracking these files that where it has reached, and very soon we will have a separate department for this.